Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in today's video, students, we are talking about the fourth edition of the India Sri Lanka joint diving exercise, that is DIVEX. You must have seen this written SLNX DIVEX. How you can remember in this? It is Indian Navy, Sri Lankan Navy, and they part in this DIVEX exercise, that is your diving exercise. This is the fourth edition of this exercise. That is the most important question that will be asked here. This exercise started on 21st of April and it will be running till 27th of April. Correct. This will improve the coordination, share best practices and strengthen the maritime cooperation between the two countries in the Indian Ocean region. It also aligns with the Sagar policy as well as the Mahasagar policy. Mahasagar is your mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth across a region. Right, students? Very important, so take a note of this. Here you can see it is INS Nireekshak that has arrived in Colombo, Sri Lanka for India-Sri Lanka diving exercise. So question can be asked about the location. Where was this held? It was held in Colombo in Sri Lanka. Which edition of this exercise? It is the fourth edition of this exercise. It started on 21st of April and it will be running till 27th of April. Next question from Indian side. Which Indian naval ship took part in this exercise? It is INS Nireekshak that took part in this exercise. Right? Very important. Right? This is the Indian Navy's diving support and submarine rescue vessel. The exercise involved in the joint diving operation is your professional training, high-level meetings between India and Sri Lankan naval support. Also, during the visit, India will present two Bhishma. What is this? Bharat Health Initiative for Sahyog Hita and Maitri cubes. That is your Bhishan cubes. It is for rapid medical response and it will be given as a friendly gesture to Sri Lanka. So Bhishma cubes will be presented during this exercise. So question can be asked that what initiative or what gift was given by India to Sri Lanka during this exercise? It was Bhishma cubes, right? And what is Bhishma? You should know the full form. That is Bharat Health Initiative for Sahyog Hita and Maitri. So students, based on this, now let's discuss some important MCQs. First question is Exercise Milan. Question is Exercise Milan, the Indian Navy's flagship multilateral naval exercise, was hosted at what location in Feb 2026? It was hosted in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. This is our answer. Right? Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh is also known as the City of Destiny. City of Destiny. Next question. Which major air combat exercise was conducted by the Indian Air Force at the Pokhran range on 27th of Feb in 2026? Exercise is Vayu Shakti. Right? And here a massive firepower demonstration was shown involving 130 aircrafts at the Pokhran field firing range. Next, during the International Fleet Review 2026, which indigenously developed ship served as the presidential yacht? It is INS Sumedha, right? And this was during the IFR 2026 that was hosted on, or that was held on 18th of Feb. Next question. The 7th edition of the joint military exercise Dharma Guardian that was held from Feb to March was conducted between India and which country? So this was conducted between India and Japan. This is the 7th edition of Dharma Guardian exercise between Indian Army and Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. Next, in Feb, India assumed the chairmanship of the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium for 25 to 27 term from which country? We received this and we have assumed this chairmanship from IUNS from Thailand. From Thailand. Take a note of this question. Right? Next is exercise Lamitya. was held in March, that is a joint military exercise between the Indian Armed Forces and which nation? So Lamitya exercise was held, tell me, there is a joint military exercise that was held between Indian Armed Forces and which nation? It was between India and Seychelles. Next is, what was the theme of the International Fleet Review hosted by the Indian Navy that we were just discussing? Theme being United Through Oceans. This is the theme of IFR held in the Feb month. Next, which country participated for the first time with their naval assets in the Indian Navy's Fleet Review and Milan exercise in Feb 2026? So it is Germany, Philippines, UAE. So all of them, they participated for the first time with their navies in this IFR and Milan exercise. Right, students? So take a note. Next is, the Indian Army's Ladakh Scouts represented Indian contingent in which bilateral exercise during Feb 2025? So Indian Army's Ladakh Scout. So remember this is important, right? To remember which scout, it is the Ladakh Scouts. They represented the Indian contingent in which bilateral exercise? It is exercise Dharma Guardian, right? And it was with in the Dharma Guardian exercise and Ladakh Scouts. Then next question here is, which vision of Prime Minister focused on mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth in the region, that is Mahasagar, was a central pillar or IFR Milan INS convergence in 2026? It is, as I discussed, this is the full form of Mahasagar that we just discussed earlier, right? Mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth across region, right? And you can see here that we were just discussing about this, that is Mahasagar. So this was the main focus of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision. So these are some important current affairs on this topic, right? That is our defense for various exercises that will be quite helpful in your learning journey, students. Correct? That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day. Now let's revise some other questions that will be beneficial for you all.